have a neighbor that has very severe allergies to many medications. All of those medication allergies are documented in her medical records at the local hospital. But let's just suppose my neighbor, who is a lovely woman in her 70s now, were to have an emergency medical issue. She's taken to the hospital and treated in the ER. In the course of that treatment, let's suppose that her records are not pulled, and so she is given a medication that she's allergic to. Knowing my neighbor, I know that her reactions are nothing short of horrific. So if she were given a medication that she was allergic to, it is likely that it would throw her into some type of serious adverse reaction that may range from shock, lack of consciousness, or even death. Now let me tell you what could occur if this were to happen in an ER in the state of North Carolina if the current legislation that is on the table were to pass. Here it is in a nutshell. The ER doctor could be granted total immunity unless it is proven that he or she had clear intent to harm. Under this pending legislation, an ER doctor could commit virtually any type of mistake and yet be granted total immunity for that medical error. In addition, hospital system errors, administrative errors, switched paperwork errors, lack of proper sanitation errors, physician assistant errors, and nurse errors would all be excused under this proposed ER total immunity bill. If this medical mistake happened now or any time in the last 200 years, a jury of North Carolinians would determine if there was a mistake and what the consequences would be. But if this new law is passed, it will change the constitutional right of trial by jury for a medical error that causes great harm or death. And it will hide that potentially grievous error under the safe umbrella of total immunity. And guess who stands to profit from this most? The insurance companies. And with no consequences for mistakes and errors that occur in the ER, what do you think will happen to the standard of medical care in the state of North Carolina? Please make your voice heard and contact your state representatives asking them to say no to the insurance company bailout bill. Visit the Facebook page for more information and a list of representatives. This is Cindy Speaker for State Law TV.